going to explain angle of elevation. So my first example. A woman measures the angle of elevation between the ground and the building 600 feet away from 50 degrees, and how tall is the building? So, I'm going to get my pen. Here. So this is the opposite. Because nandito yung degrees natin, dito yung opposite. Tapos yung hypotenuse naman natin, yung pinaka mahaba. Hypotenuse. Tapos ito naman ay ang ating adjacent. Dahil wala tayong hypotenuse, hahanapin natin ang adjacent. Kaya hanapin natin ang hypotenuse. So, gagamitin natin ay tan. Oh, wala pa pala. Sige. Is opposite to adjacent. So, ang ating tan is 600. Ay, 15 degrees pala. 15 degrees. Tapos, wala tayong opposite. Ay, wala pala tayong opposite. Ito pala yung hanapin natin. Ang opposite natin. Ang ating hahanapin. So, opposite is x. And our adjacent, so 600. Ika-cancel dapat natin siya, kaya ang gagawin natin is ilalagay natin ito. Ilalagay natin 600, cancel, at ilalagay natin ito 600. Yan. Hindi natin ika-cancel. So, ang matitira na lang sa atin ay x 600 times tan 15 degrees. So, ang ating kakalculate natin siya. So, 600x tan 15. So, ating kakalagasan ay 6. Ito. Sulat lang natin yan. So, ang ating answer is 160.76 feet. Ito ang ating answer. So, ganun lang gagawin natin sa tangent. Ang sunod naman na example is ito. A little girl is flying above a field at the end of 55 cm of the string. If the angle of elevation to the kite measures 70 degrees, how high is the kite? How high is the kite? So, ito ang ating opposite. Ito naman ang ating hypotenuse. Pinakamahaba. Hypotenuse. Sulat natin yan. Ang gagawin natin is sine. Lang, may ginawa ako. Siya, kung ilang so, ang sine natin is opposite to hypotenuse. So, sine, ating degree, 70. Ayan. Tapos ito naman ang opposite. Wala tayong opposite. So, ito naman ang hypotenuse natin, 55. So, kagaya dito, ika-cancel din natin. Cancel. Talagyan natin dito yung 55. So, mangyayari is 55 x 70. Magiging calculator natin, ha? X sine 70 is paano yung mali? Wait lang. Ay, tama. 51 68. Ayan. Ito ang ating nagawa mo dito. Ito ng baby ko. Yan na ating answer. Magulo! Oras si Ote. Diri ka. Ito naman. The angle of elevation of a ladder is leaning against a wall is 80 degrees. And the foot of the ladder is 5 cm away from the wall. What is the length of the ladder? Ito naman tayo. The angle of elevation leaning walls is the water from. What is the length? So, ang paano-hanap natin is the length. Ito yung opposite natin na may hypotenuse. Ito yung adjacent. So, gagamitin natin ay cosine is adjacent to hypotenuse. Ibig natin is cos 80 degrees and 5 x yan. Ay, hindi. Mali gagawin. Ay, oo, tama lang. X. Tapos, X. Ayan, maka-cancel. Ito mga hindi maka-cancel kasi wala naman itong X. So, mangyayari is cosine 5 divided by cosine 80 degrees. Ayan. So, ang magiging ano natin is divide natin siya. So, 5 divided by cosine 80. Ito ang answer natin. Cosine 2879. Ito ang ating answer. And that's it. Ito ang ating answer.